Hi guys, and my name is Novelin, and we are here today to make a Christmas decoration. And this Christmas decoration is super easy. It's good for children, but my consent with adult because there is cutting process and gluing. So we need the barbecue stick, a glue gun, scissor, and a marker. And we need also a lace, our 5 stick, and two, four, five. So we just mark it, and here we have to make a mark. I like about 10 centimeter. So we just mark it there and start cutting. If you need the help, you should ask your parents to cut your stick because it's a little hard to cut. If you can cut it, you just make it like this. It's easy. So and it's ready. We just make form so stars. And we just make ready our glue gun. And when it is hard already, you just glue it together one by one. So we just need wait to dry. So it's dry now, and we just need our lace. Measure it about 20 centimeter and just lace it. And it's done. You can color it if you want. This is our second project, and it's easy to make. You really need all these materials: wrapper, scissors, glue, styrofoam, and also tape and a string. Cut your styrofoam into square and just cut pieces of wrapper and just wrap it like you wrapping a gift. And after that, you just put a string and hang it in your Christmas tree. And this is our number 3 project, and it's very paper plate at your home that you don't normally use anymore. Now we have a paper plate, a scissor. First things we need to do is to cut it out. I like to cut this one here. After I cut the edges, I will cut the one inside. So after I cut it, and we just need this one. And draw star and cut it. After the star is cut out, so we just need to stapler it. And we just put string on it. And we just put a bead. So our unit decoration is ready. And this is our number 4 project, and this is very simple to make. If you have a straw, first is gather your straw, scissor, marker, and your ruler. First we need to measure the desired amount you want. So we are done, and we just need to do is gather your glue gun again. And start from the top. And the bottom. And we just need the string again. And inside the straw, the first one, you just put in. It's done. You have another easy DIY Christmas decoration. I hope you like it and thank you for watching.